Took all the pain from my past and wear that shit like a shirt. I got them pussy niggas mad, it's time to take them to church. And if he fucking with my niggas, it's on my steady hurt. No, it's a shame, but I'm working until I'm landing that dirt. See, I was blessed with a curse, and them niggas say that it works. And you can keep it the chain, I'm already on work.
YouTube, it's your boy Al back with another video. As y'all can see from the thumbnail and the title, I got a special one for y'all today. Like, comment, subscribe on the video right now before I get started. If you're new to the channel, come follow my Instagram, because I post a lot of what I do on YouTube on there. Like, say if I ain't got a video coming up, I'm gonna go ahead and post it on there. But oh, y'all see it. But yeah, man, without further ado, we're gonna get into this, y'all. Yeah, man, this gotta be the hardest lack in the city though, bro. The hardest lack. 24 Artis wheels. Wait till y'all see the inside. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, but we gonna just do the walk around of this junk. 24s, calipers painted red. We not upgraded. This is the FLEETWOOD though, so don't sleep. I'm gonna keep that out. But yeah, look at this junk. Look at these wheels, bro. Wait till y'all see the inside. And y'all see he got the tint. It's tinted like a gold film to match the wheels, and it's brown. Got the gold pinstripe on the side, and it got a little bit of flake in it too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh my god. But look, check out the interior on this bit. Yeah, check it out. Oh, y'all see it. Steering wheel matching the wheels. You can't get no better than that. Like, what? Who doing it like that in the city, bro? Then you got the custom doors, DS18 tweeters, 10s, Tempanos, seats, done. Reallionaire, already know. Y'all already know the vibes. Check it out back here, though, man. Y'all ain't seen nothing for real. And then he got like a small custom jump right here that sit in between. And then even right here, y'all see it. But I'm gonna hit the trunk and let y'all see in there too. The trunk is completely blocked off. And I believe, I forget what this called because I've been out of my audio for a minute. I believe this is a 4th order. Yeah, my cousin over there, he got that shit. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to speed this process up because my phone about to die. So yeah, man, this the whole interior. If you pull the seat back, you can actually see inside here 2 resilience. I believe these are 12s. And I'm gonna try to play a little something for y'all. But y'all can see the DS18, the center console, each door got 10s on them. Got the 8s up front. But let me see if I can find something to play real quick. Y'all hear it. Even the clicks. Let's see if the radio works. We'll do a quick little something. I tried to get some music going. It looked like we're gonna have to do a part 2. I'm gonna have to get CEO Milt to come out here and do it himself and give us a demo of this jump, man. But y'all see it, man. Wheels hitting. Wheels hitting. Got that tint hitting. Flake hitting. The steering wheel match the wheels. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Come out here and do